Next is exercise 6.2. Find the square of the following numbers. First part is 32. We will already discuss what do you mean by square. The multiplication of the given number by itself is called square. So first part is 32. Now you will solve these all parts. Square of 32 equal to 32 square means you have to multiply 32 two times. 32 into 32, solve it, the multiplication, and the answer is 1024. You have to solve all the parts like this. Clear? Sometimes in the exam, the question number 1 can also be given like this. Find the square of the following numbers without actual multiplication. You are not able to use the multiplication. You can't do direct multiply and answer. So in this situation we will also use the identities, or you can use the following method. First part is 39. 39 square is, we can write it as 30 plus 9. 30 plus 9 whole square means 30 plus 9 multiply 2 times. Firstly 30 will multiply with 30 plus 9, then plus 9 multiply with 30 plus 9. In 7th class you have done the multiplication of the binomial. We will solve this question like that. Okay, 30 into 30 900, 30 into 9 270, plus 9 30 से multiply 270, plus 9 into plus 9 81. All the numbers are of addition, so when you add you will get 1521. Similarly एक और पार्ट कर रहे हैं 42. 42 square means 40 plus 2 whole square, 40 plus 2 40 plus 2, दोनों क्या आ रही है multiply. These are now binomials. You have to multiply the binomials. 40 multiply with 40 plus 2, then plus 2 multiply with 40 plus 2. 40 into 40 1600, 40 into plus 2 plus 80, plus 2 into 40 plus 80, plus 2 into plus 2 plus 4. Add all these, you will get 1764. Remember one thing, you have to use the identities or this method when there is given that you don't use the multiplication method. If like 6.1 question number 2, there is not giving anything, you have to just find the square of the following number. You can multiply the number by itself. Okay, next is question number 2. This question is very important from the examination point of view. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is, first part है 6. मैं आपको सिर्फ एक ही पार्ट करवा रही हूँ, बाकी सिमिलर हैं. फर्स्टली देखो, what are the Pythagorean triplets? Pythagorean triplets are 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. It is given that one member is 6. That means 3 from these 3 one member is given. It is easier when you let this member is given. Let 2m equal to 6 so that we can find the value of m easily. m equal to 6 by 2, ये कट हो जाएगा, कितना आ जाएगा 3. That means m की वैल्यू क्या आ गई 3. अब आप लोगों ने m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 की वैल्यू पता कर लेनी है. Now m square minus 1 equal to 3 square minus 1. 3 square means multiply 3 2 times, not with 2. कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं 3 2 ज़ा 6 लिख देते हैं, फिर क्वेश्चन कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग हो जाता है. तो 3 square means you know 3 multiply 3 2 times, means 3 into 3 9. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. M square plus 1 equal to 3 square plus 1. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Therefore Pythagorean triplets are, देखो 2m Pythagorean triplet है, ठीक है, चाहे तो आप 2m यहाँ पे फिर से फाइंड कर लो m की वैल्यू, या फिर एक मेंबर तो 6 हमें गिवन ही है, तो 6 आया एक पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट, एक 8 आया, एक 10 आया. डोंट कंफ्यूज विद द 3, क्योंकि बच्चे क्या करते हैं यहाँ से लिख देते हैं 3 8 9, तो वो एक पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट गलत हो जाता है. आपने याद रखना है कि 1 मेंबर इज गिवन हेयर, सो दिस विल ऑलवेज इंक्लूड इन द आंसर. Okay, therefore Pythagorean triplets are 6, 8 and 10. Thank you, students.